Hi, my name is Fiona. I'm pursuing biochemistry and molecular biology. I love lots of plants, but I'll highlight that bur oaks are able to withstand fires.
Okay. Hi, my name is Connor. I'm a finance major pursuing a natural resource conservation minor, and my favorite plant has to be the white pine.
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm an undeclared freshman, and my favorite plants are succulents.
Hi, I'm Mabel. I'm a junior. I major in environmental conservation, and my favorite plant are ferns.
The Fannie Stebbins Wildlife Refuge is around 400 acres of land, which includes ponds, wetlands, tree and shrub swamplands, forests, and meadows. The refuge is home to the largest remaining patches of floodplains along the Connecticut River, thanks to periodic flooding. The varied landscape offers home to many species of birds, in particular migratory fowl. Many people flock to the trails to walk, hike, and go bird watching. The area was named a National Natural Landmark by the U.S. Department of the Interior and an important bird area by the Massachusetts Audubon Society.
We collaborated with the Fannie Stebbins Wildlife Refuge in order to expand access to all their trails. It's important to take care of the land that we live on, and it will take care of us in return. We created bridges over water and trimmed back grass and brush that was impeding on the trail. The refuge is 400 acres, or equivalent in size to all the lawn space on the UMass Amherst campus.
Team 17 would like to acknowledge that our group had the privilege of providing trail maintenance for the land whose original inhabitants were the Agawam tribe, a part of the Algonquian community. The land that the Fannie Stebbins Wildlife Refuge trails now reside on was known as Massaksik.
Civic engagement can be defined as the active involvement in services that support one's community and/or country, which can address public issues and promote the common good. Civic engagement is important as it spreads awareness surrounding societal issues and can encourage others to make a change or protect public values.
We provided volunteer trail maintenance with the Friends of Fannie Stebbins, specifically Elaine Shusterman and David Morse, for the Fannie Stebbins Wildlife Refuge located in Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We drove out to Longmeadow, built a small elevated platform, and cleared some trail to ensure folks can continue to revel in this beautiful wildlife refuge.
Environmental leadership is important. By stepping up to take care of the land and nature around us, we can all have a positive impact on the community and environment. We felt so accomplished being able to help out the community, and it was great to be able to get out into nature and experience all the different kinds of plants and animals along the way. By leading others to do good things, not only do you feel good, but you make the world a better place. Environmental leadership has taught us that by taking action and initiative to do good, we can all make a difference.
I definitely found volunteering our time and energy rewarding. It felt good. The world would be different if everyone volunteered more. Falling into a false narrative that we cannot and do not affect our environment or that we are unable to make a positive impact can be so easy. But we can make a positive impact, and we can enjoy the process of helping out too.